Hi guys, in this video we talk about Redmi K70 Pro versus Nokia N73 Pro. The Nokia N73 Pro launched on March 2024 with a price tag of $1,099. Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $649. The body dimensions: the Nokia N73 Pro 6.743 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 9 mm. The K70 Pro height 6.3 inches, width 2.9 inches, thickness 8.2 mm. The weight of these devices: the Nokia N73 Pro come with 220 gram, the Redmi K70 Pro come with 209 gram, and the both mobile come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The Nokia N73 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the Redmi K70 Pro come with OLED 68 billion color screen type. The Nokia N73 Pro come with 6.81 inches screen size, and the Redmi K70 Pro 6.767 inches screen size, and the both mobile come with 2K screen resolution. The Nokia N73 Pro come with 518 bps NST, the K70 Pro come with 526 bps NST. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120Hz. The screen to body ratio: Nokia N73 Pro come with 92.1% screen to body ratio, and the Redmi K70 Pro 89% screen to body ratio. The Nokia N73 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection, and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro come with Gorilla Glass screen protection. The Nokia N73 Pro and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro come with 4000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Nokia N73 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's got 8K 30 fps video. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel telephoto, and it's got 8K 24 fps video. The front camera of these devices: the Nokia N73 Pro come with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 fps video record. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro come with 16 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 60 fps video record. And the platform of these devices: the both devices come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and it's come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. Then GPU is same Adreno 750, and it's come with Android 14. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro come with HyperOS. Let's go to the memory setup. The Nokia N73 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. The internal storage is same in both devices: 256GB, 512GB and 1TB. No SD card support in both mobiles. The battery backup: the Nokia N73 Pro come with 5400 mAh battery, and the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro 5000 mAh battery. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro come with 120 watt fast charging, and the Nokia N73 Pro come with 90 watt fast charging. Nokia N73 Pro come with 50 watt wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same, but the Nokia N73 Pro have IP68 rating, and Xiaomi Redmi K70 have no IP rating. The result of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Pro come with 20 points, and Nokia N73 got 24 points.